YD630 curved screen laminating defoaming all-in-one machine. Comes with imported universal laminating silicone pad. Additional gift of universal adhesive pad for curved screen. This is a curved screen. Tear off the dry adhesive protective film on the cover plate. Align the cover plate with the LCD. Just stick a little bit in the middle. Do not stick it on a large area, then align with the rubber pad. Pay attention to reserving 2 to 3 mm for cable placement. Do not directly press onto the ribbon cable, directly placed in the laminating cabin. Close the upper cover of the laminating cabin. Select language, select curved screen mode. Press the start button for lamination. This is a negative pressure gauge, real-time display of vacuum value in the laminating cabin. This is a curved screen laminating pressure gauge. After laminating is completed, the machine will automatically perform defoaming. This is the defoaming pressure gauge, displaying the current defoaming pressure of the machine. Time for single laminating and defoaming of curved screen, about 6 minutes. If it is necessary to adjust various laminating parameters, click on Parameter Settings, enter password 9988 and enter. The adhesive defoaming time and temperature can be adjusted here. Return to automatically save. The parameters have been set at the factory. Usually no adjustment is required. It can be used by turning on the power. The laminating and defoaming pressure can also be freely adjusted. Corresponding pressure regulating valves are installed on the side deck of the aircraft body. Adhesive defoaming completed. Let's take a look at the effect. Perfect without bubbles. Test the screen. Good display and touch.